I'm so stressed out. I gotta relax. It's supposed to be fun.
It's alright.
One thing after another. This is like, you gotta know what you're doing.
Oh yeah, the computer wizards.
Today you join me in the M2. So judging by the 55% of the viewers that opted out of my last video in the first 30 seconds, I'm gonna try to keep the talking in the beginning down to a minimum at this one. We just picked this up from Autocraft. They just installed some new mods for me. I was gonna hit you guys with a clickbait video, you know, unboxing $14,000 worth of parts, but I decided not to do that because that's lame. So we're on the way to the dyno right now. We got a track rental tomorrow, and I have no idea why Chris just turned there. Yeah, we're on the way to the dyno, so we'll check in when we get there. We are at the dyno, Wayne Speed. This is so crazy. I think we're in dyno mode.
Alright.
Wow, the ethanol content's over 60 now.
Damn.
I think we're in dyno mode.
You spoke to the tune? That's what he said?
He said, EC button, you open up the hidden menu. I got to the menu, it said dyno mode, I hit that, turn ESC motor.
What gear you said you want to do dyno?
So I'm gonna go to fifth gear for that.
So I'm going to slowly go to highway speed. So shoot the manual.
I'm gonna try to clear all the codes and then put it in dyno mode again.
No problem. Take your time, Ron. Listen, I know it's a little nerve-wracking, but don't worry.
All right.
Just take your time. There's no rush. Take your time.
Thank you.
What happened?
The car's like shifting on its own. It won't stay in fifth gear.
Oh, okay.
And it's like all these weird things. All these codes are popping up, so I'm just gonna try to clear the codes.
That's sick. It connects to the phone. I had no idea.
I think we're good now. I see VSC off, I see traction control warning, I've got all those lights, and it says we're in test mode. I'm so stressed out. I gotta relax. It's supposed to be fun.
Yeah. It'll be fine. You didn't add a turbo, so you're good.
Stock turbo. Stock engine, stock trans,
Yeah.
stock turbo.
No. So it's nothing to worry about.
All I'm telling people now is this car has bolt-ons.
Yeah.
Because it does, technically.
Yeah, technically.
Bolt-ons and some E80 front.
Was he connecting?
Yeah. He wanted me to put it in accessory mode, so he's doing something. I wish he was here. I wish I could see what he was doing.
Yeah. Where is he?
California. I think the controller's over here. It's right there.
No, it's okay. I'll get some more.
It's alright.
One thing after another. We'll get it.
Yeah.
This guy's gonna think I'm...
What, the tuner?
This is perfect. So dirty. Oh my god.
Yeah, you gotta clean it before you go. You gotta.
Another day in the office for you, huh?
I was surprised with weather. I was like, man, that cold weather is back.
Yeah, I know. It sucks.
My girlfriend
It's the morning. I'm like, man.
I'm over it.
A lot of Evo guys around here, huh? Yeah.
Well, the mechanic, he specializes with a lot of Mitsubishi stuff.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Yeah, I like this too. That's programming car.
Haven't seen a GSX in a while.
Yeah.
It's gotta love it.
Yeah, that's where I started out. Sure you have on your phone? Technology.
Yeah, I know. It's wild.
Alright, we're getting there. I forgot my password. I needed to get BM3 going. He's connected in the tuning software. The port ejection controller's on. We're almost ready. 5,000. This is like, you gotta know what you're doing.
Oh yeah, the computer wizards.
I watch these guys on YouTube mess around with the HP tuners.
Yeah.
They click a couple buttons, they run a 7-second pass. I'm like, this looks easy. I don't even know what he's doing. That was so funny. I can't believe he made 688 with no port injection on a map that's got port injection expected. That's crazy. Oh, he's really into it now. Aux 2, that's the port injection controller. So he's in it. He's got it. He's got it.
Still know what?
Fuel. Said it was the fuel that caused that. No fuel. Ready?
Doing another one?
Yeah, we're gonna do another one.
So it's always the last one.
Yeah.
It's always on the bottom. So it was gonna make more power, but you know, it cut short for some reason. Once you go out, it should be higher.
You want me to do another pull? Did another pull. Now we wait. Weird hesitation happening.
Yeah,
You can actually hear it.
you can hear it. Yep.
Trying to leave with all the oil in the engine, you know? Does it sound nuts out there?
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
I wish I could hear it. I was on video of it later. I wish I knew what I was doing. That thing looks like it's ready to just go. Should have taken it at the red line.
Be careful this car.
Yeah, I know. It's a handful. It's already a handful. I got the Nittos. Yeah. I'm taking it all away. Once the shit gets connected again. No, that was that was 39.9 on that one. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they're over 40. I don't know.
Is it holding it all the way, you know? Is it holding at 39?
I can't really see that.
Ready?